Cordova, Cebu isn't just a dot on the map of the Philippines archipelago. It's a shining jewel in the crown of the Visayan region.
Then after you took a nap for 1 hour and a half,
Maybe longer.
longer. So we're going
Like 2
back.
hours.
We're going back to the festival.
We're going back to the.
To step into Cordova is to step into a world of azure waters that kiss pristine beaches, where the sun doesn't just set, it melts into the horizon, painting the sky in hues of crimson and gold. The town is a living testament to the Philippines' rich colonial history, Spanish-era-inspired architecture, standing proudly alongside more modern developments. Limestone churches, thatch-roof houses, and bustling marketplaces contribute to the town's distinct character.
However, it's not just the landscapes that capture one's heart in Cordova, it's the people.
They were getting the "you can't drive this way" speech, I'm guessing. Anyway, a lot more people here now than there was earlier when we were here. Hopefully, this turns out to be awesome. Hear the music already. So, it's a
The
bit on
seascape
exciting
forms
side.
an integral part of Cordova's identity. The thriving fishing industry here ensures that the town's marketplaces are a riot of colors, scents, and sounds every morning. Fishermen, with their tan skins and rugged hands, display their bountiful catches, from shimmering fishes to the intriguing beckoning, or sea snake, a delicacy and cultural icon of the region. Then there's the cuisine. Cordova, like the rest of Cebu, boasts dishes that are a
Feel the
delightful
raindrops
assault
already,
on the
hopefully.
senses. From the
It
freshest
doesn't
seafood
start
to the
pouring on us.
indulgent lechon.
Although at least all the camera gear is waterproof. But, you know. Oh, that looks awesome.
In recent years, Cordova has also made waves for its ecotourism initiatives. The boardwalk, which stretches languidly across the coast, is an architectural masterpiece that offers breathtaking views, especially during sunset. To sum it up, Cordova Cebu is more than just a destination, it's an experience, a gentle blend of nature, culture, and warmth, waiting to be discovered.
The Dinagat Festival isn't just a celebration, it's the pulsating heart of Cordova, beating in the rhythm of the waves and echoing the town's deep-rooted connection with the sea. Held annually, the festival is a radiant spectacle of color, dance, and unity, paying homage to the sea and its guardian, the Kakasi or sea snake.
Worried that drone's gonna fall out of the sky and hit somebody.
However, the standout attire is undoubtedly the Bakassi-inspired outfits. Wearing scales, flowing fabrics, and intricate headpieces transform the dancers into living embodiments of the revered sea snake. As the day progresses, the main event unfolds, the dance competition. Here, storytelling meets artistry. Each dance troupe interprets the legend of the Bakassi, its significance to Cordova, and the gratitude of the community. But beyond the breathtaking performances, the Dinagat Festival is also a showcase of Cordova's unity and community spirit. Residents, both young and old, come together to ensure the event's success. Street stalls overflow with local delicacies, children engage in games, and makeshift stages host a plethora of activities, ensuring that there's something for everyone.
I don't know. Cool.
As evening descends, the festival reaches its climax. A grand parade traverses the town, with floats adorning the lights, flowers, and motifs of the Bakassi. In the end, the Dinagat Festival is more than just an event. It's a tribute to the sea that nurtures, to the Bakassi that protects, and to the indomitable spirit of the Cordovans. It's a reminder that in this ever changing world, some traditions remain steadfast, weaving generations together in a dance of gratitude and joy.